Welcome to Futurebytes, where young minds dive into the exciting world of robotics and coding. Voted the best Bay Area summer camp for 2022, 2023, and 2024, we offer a top-notch experience for aspiring tech enthusiasts across multiple Bay Area locations. Introducing Play with Code, our fun and interactive coding course for kids age 6 and up. Kids learn coding basics through games, stories, animations, and more, making learning fun and engaging. They'll master programming concepts like loops, sequences, algorithms, and more, all while creating their own characters and projects. In Play with Code, kids develop problem-solving strategies, creativity, and self-confidence essential for future success. With a user-friendly interface that adapts to individual learning styles, every child progresses at their own pace, enjoying endless entertainment. Register now at www.futurebytes.tech using the discount code FBSC24 and follow us on social media. Multiple Bay Area locations available. We look forward to seeing you at a Futurebytes camp, shaping the future one byte at a time.